In the second semester, your complementary paper is Cultural Studies. So, first we have to understand what culture is before going into cultural studies. Culture is a familiar term for most of us. We all might have come across the word culture. Actually, what is culture? It is actually a way of life of a group of people, how they live, their knowledge, their beliefs, their laws, their customs, their art forms, the food they eat. All these constitute to culture of that particular group. It is transferred from one generation to another. As the generation passes, their cultural beliefs, their cultural norms, traditions, all are passed on to the next generation. They learn it from their ancestors. So that is culture. Now, the components of culture, as we already told, it includes the attitudes of that group of people, their beliefs, the languages they speak, the customs, rituals, the behavior of the people of that group, their faith and religious beliefs, their food, the art, drama, and music of that particular group. All these things are the components of the culture, components of a culture of a particular population. The characteristic of a culture is it is universal. That means every member in that group follows the same beliefs, traditions, norms, etc. Then it is learned, it is not inherent. When a baby is born, he is not born with uh, all those traditional beliefs, norms, and all. He is learning it from the other members of that group. That is learned, it is learned. It is shared, it is shared among the members of the group. Their beliefs, values, all these are shared. They share it with each other, the members of that particular community or that particular population. Then it is cumulative. Cumulative means in the beginning, the culture or the group of people will have some basic beliefs, traditions, and all. As time passes, new beliefs, new art forms, new traditions, new kind of foods all come to their culture. So that adds up to their culture. So it becomes cumulative. It goes on adding as time passes by. That's the meaning of cumulative. So these are the characteristics of culture. So that was the basics of what culture is, what is the components of culture, and what are the characteristics of culture. Now in the next class we are going to learn what is a popular culture. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Take care.